Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sanda Wahyuni. I'm from the 4th semester in English Education Department of STKIP Muhammadiyah Bogor. Today, I will make a video to my midterm test in academic reading, with the topic is about my understanding in academic reading. And for the first, I will give an explanations about what is academic reading. Before I give an explanations, I want to know what do you think about academic reading? Reading in an academic context is different from everyday reading. Academic reading requires a more active, probing, and recursive strategy than does recreational reading. It is an essential skill for completing written assignment. Reading strategically is integral to the process of understanding your topic, finding research material, and developing your ideas. For the second material is about what is different from academic reading and simple reading. And there are some difference between academic reading and simple reading. It's from the techniques that we use. Uh, from academic reading is more focus and detail. Simple reading is just read that you want to read, and academic reading is a more strategic way of reading for academic and educational purpose than simple reading. At university, almost every course of study involves a lot of reading, and it can be challenging to manage amount of reading that you will be assigned each week. This means you will need to develop your skills in reading quickly and efficiently. The next material is about what are reading strategy in academic reading. Strategy different from reader to reader. The same reader may use different contexts because the purpose of reading changes. And ask yourself, why am I reading and what am I reading? When deciding which strategy to try, before reading, establish your purpose reading, review what you already know and want to learn about the topic, predict the contents of the text and pose questions about it. During reading, check your predictions and find answers to pose questions. Use heading and transitions words to identify relationship in the text. Create a vocabulary list, and after reading, you make summarize the text in your own words. Identify and reread difficult parts in the text. Define words on your vocabulary list and try to practice using them. For the next material is about how academic reading helps your reading understanding for study at college. As you enter university, reading takes on a central role as a part of your approach to learning. It is very important to read independently and effectively to learn significant portions of a course of study. It may be the case that you have failed to develop strong reading skills. You hope that the reading approach you have used up until this point will work for you. Sadly, too many students read passively, failing to construct accurate comprehensions with the guidance of a purpose or goal for reading. The result is that too many students begin to dislike their readings and come to view it as a necessary evil. Reading doesn't have to be an one-row task that you dread, but to avoid these ill feelings about reading, you will need to invest a little time to develop more active reading strategies. This may be the first time that you consciously use in strategy for reading, and so it may feel awkward for a period of time. However, our experience shows, and reading especially know, that an active approach to reading will likely be more productive and interesting for you. For the last material is about what is academic words. Academic words is defined as words that are traditionally used in academic dialogue and text. Specifically, it refers to words that are not necessarily common or frequently encountered in informal conversation. academic words refers to specialized high-utility words used in the classroom. Example of academic words is like this: summarize, evaluate, analyze, formula, response, and specify. Academic words also include the language our students need to completely speak to read and discuss topics in science and social studies. Uh, that's our material. I think enough for me. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.